So my name's Dave, I'm from Nelson, IT manager. Decided to come on this retreat to get outside my comfort zone and to really experience what the Coromandel has to offer. Experience a few firsts, catching my first big fish, snorkeling, eating copious amounts of healthy food. Coming on board with a couple of other great guys, just learning about ourselves and about each other has been very helpful in dealing with my own stuff going on. I think the camaraderie of everyone, just hearing their stories and sitting around the fire, just makes you feel that you're not alone. Carl's to me, feels like an older brother who's there to show you how to do things and listen to you and impart his advice, but not judgmental. We're just a good bro.